left where you're at to the party.
Jump over here.
We should plant them all right here, and then we'll get 5 of everything each, and we'll plant it over here. Or where that fire is.